Hi! Naka-social distance pa rin kami and it is for everybody's sake. Hey, we're back! Hi! This is Side B with Ate B and we are reintegrating today sa TV Patrol. What's in my mind? Totoo, may takot. Sabi nila praning. But alam mo, let's not call it praning. Let's call it being smart. Because we already know what to do, the precautions that we have to take, the advice of the doctors, all the time, narinig na natin. So, anong gagawin natin? Now, we just have to live according to what the doctors are telling us. Again, alam nyo na, ano ulit yon? 4, face mask, face shield, wash your hands, keep distancing, air. Ang problema ko, marami sa mga gawain ko nasa loob ng mall. Kagaya ng pagpapakupit ng buhok. So, ngayon, ang sinasabi, limit your time indoors daw. So, naisip ko, shorten your time indoors and doing whatever. But I have a better idea. Baka naman meron tayong mahanap na lugar na sobrang nag-ingat din naman at nag-adjust din naman according to what our doctors are telling us. So, we just have to live smart. We have to live smart. So, I am leaving the house, nabasa na ang buhok, at pupunta tayo sa salon na hopefully well-ventilated. O, ayan, basa na para less time sa salon, gupit na lang, di ba? What am I trying to say? We just have to live smart. We already know what to do. Gawin na lang natin, di ba? Para we can live free. So, subaybayan yung araw natin, ha? Kaya natin to. Ang importante kasi hindi lang tayo yung nag-a-adjust. Dapat ang nag-a-adjust ay ang buong mundo. Even how business operates. So, that's very important para lahat tayo safe. Hello. Yes, we are slowly reintegrating. And by living smart, what do we mean? Well, of course, you can still go out. Pero pipiliin mo lang kung saan ka pupunta. We know na delikado indoors, right? Indoors by, I mean, poor ventilation is not a good idea. So we just have to rethink visiting the malls. And if ever pupunta tayo ng mall, hindi tayo pwede magbabad. As in essentials lang. So yun, at least you know na there is a danger of being indoors. By living smart, you know that when you eat out, tumatalsik yung mga laway ng kausap. So would you eat out indoors? And take note, anybody can be a carrier. I doubt naman na yung kaharap ninyo who's looking healthy, your friend, I really doubt na gusto ko yung hawain dahil palamang hindi niya alam na meron siya noon. Kaya nila sinasabing bawal na rin kumain together. So, we have to rethink where to eat. But also, we have to consider pala, ito learning ko. We have to consider and also know how our food is prepared. Dapat makita rin natin na yung pagkakaprepara ng pagkain natin ay malinis. Dahil alam natin na kapag tumalsik ang laway or even walang mask yung nagpe-prepare, delikado din sa ating pagkain. So yun, just a few things. But for now, yun, first things first, by living smart, I mean, pipiliin na rin natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Hindi naman sinabing bawal ka absolutely lumabas. Alam natin na kapag lalabas ay dapat maingat tayo, nakadistansya. Pero pati yung mga pinupuntahan natin, like in my case, pupunta ako sa salon, ang pipiliin ko na dapat ay yung okay yung air ventilation. Dahil mas matagal kayo sa loob, alam natin mas delikado. Dapat yung mga nasa salon ay protektado din. Protektadong protektado. Balot na balot. Ikaw din balot na balot. So whenever you are going indoors, you have to consider that. And we are going to the salon na basa ang ating buhok because limit time in the salon or anywhere indoors. So nabasa na yung buhok ko para wala nang shampoo-shampoo, di ba? Yun, mga simpleng bagay lang. Ingat! Blessing in disguise dahil meron tayong nahanap na salon standards-wise approved. Naka-PPE, naka-mask, naka-shield. Air ventilation okay naman. Pero ako talaga, preference ko ay may pintuan. Kaya dito tayo magugupit. Very good! Thank you very much kay Chase of Design Studio. Winner. Thank si Chase. He owns this salon, Design Studio. Bakit? Kapag kayo ay lumabas from recovering from COVID, kasama sa mararamdaman nyo yung matinding takot. Parang lahat, sobrang gusto nyo mag-ingat. Ako, gusto ko ng panindigan yung pag-iingat ko. Maingat sila at nakita nyo yung loob ng kanilang salon. Maingat, very good. Actually, Yung tinanong conductor,
Yeah.
lahat pasado yung ginawa ninyo. Naka-mask, naka-face shield, tapos naka-PPE pa.
Yeah.
Yun, pero importante rin, yung kliyente nag-iingat eh.
Yeah.
Malaking bagay na nakita mo yung pupuntahan mo nag-iingat, pero alam mo yun, that's just one part of it. Kailangan pati yung mga taong kasama mo nag-iingat. So just to avoid everything, para lang sa kapanatagan ng loob, eto inayos ni Cheese yung pwesto ko. Para sa akin, this is the way to being smart.
It's inevitable that we have to adapt to change. It's not easy, but it has to be done because aside from just being a business, of course, we're also human beings and we have to care for our co-human beings. So that being said, I think it has been our top priority since last year pa to make sure that our place is what you call a safe haven. So all our staff go regular testing. In fact, kahapon nagpa-test lang sila and all came out negative. So I'm so happy about that. Our stations have been isolated using a special type of acrylic glass. It's not the normal type of acrylic glass. So this one doesn't harbor bacteria and viruses. So that one on top of the regular disinfection of stations, the declaration forms for contact tracing, temperature checks, and then the salon has been divided into segments. So pwede ka mag-disinfect in all 4 segments of the salon. So nagpa-install din ako ng wash counter in the middle of the service floor with the UV light on the faucet.
Oh wow!
So para safe talaga lahat, and you have options for if a client doesn't have goggles, you can get goggles inside. If you're having your shampoo, merong face shield barrier between you and the one shampooing you. If you don't have gloves, you have gloves. All the bags are placed in plastic bags for safety. Yeah, and the masks are available all throughout the salon. So, happy disinfection days.
That's how you create confidence whenever tayo ay lalabas. Yung alam pong pupuntahan mo ay nag-iingat din. So, thank you very much, Chase.
You're welcome.
I'm glad I found you. Thank you.
We're glad we found you too.
Oo, thank you. Sinabi ng infectious doctor natin na pinakamainam, naka-face shield, naka-face mask yung gugupit, pati yung kliyente. Sabi ko, paano ako mag-face mask at mag-face shield habang ginugupitan? Diba? Hindi pwede. So anyway, etong thing, whatever they call it, provide rin ng salon at naka-disinfect. So what am I trying to say? We are living smarter and freer when we know na hindi lang tayo ang nag-iingat, kundi yung mga pinupuntahan din natin at nakakahalubilo ay nag-iingat. Malaking bagay yon. So, thank you very much. Ayan, later sa work, makikita ninyo ang mga pagbabago din na ginawa nila para ang safe yung mga kasama natin at syempre tayo sa TV Patrol. We are eating mass
bilang Kristiyano.
as we reintegrate. Now we know that we have to work on deeper relationship with God.
To do acts of charity.
Dun sa time na tayo ay naging anxious, ang aaminin ko, I was not as active sa pagdarasal, sa misa. Pero alam kong mas magaan lahat. Sobrang smooth kapag nagdarasal. So,
Finally,
wake up call.
the Lord in today's gospel.
Wake up call.
In the discourse,
Takot na rin akong magpaayos dahil mahal ko yung mga makeup artists. So, sila yung mga kasamang nag-alala tayo nung time na tayo ay nagka-COVID. And ingatan rin natin yung sarili natin para alam natin na pag-uwi natin, masaya lang, mas at peace kasama ang pamilya. How does COVID compare to other challenges na nangyari sa atin? Madami na rin eh. Marami na rin tayong pinagdaanan. Parang ayoko nga ulitin eh kasi pag naalala mo ang hirap. Nagka-Bell's palsy na tayo, nagka-sepsis na rin tayo, nakunan na ng baby, namatay si papa, nawalan ang trabaho, nag-shutdown yung ABS. So para ang dami na, no? How does this compare? I don't know. Syempre, I survived it, no? So dapat iisipin natin, I should be okay. But in terms of anxiety, this was really different. And I think more than anything, it wasn't just the fear of COVID that was the problem. Dun sa ibang mga pinagdaanan natin, may kaibigan kasi tayong makikita. Tapos at that time, I was also very active in church. So malaking bagay ang nagagawa ng having friends around and having a solid faith. Kasama rin yun sa mga babalikan natin. Definitely. kasama din yun. Parang tinawag lang tayo, pinaalalahanan. Because I remember when I was anxious during COVID, yan yung mga moments na nawawala yung takot ko kapag ako ay nananalangin. So definitely dapat nating balikan yun. 3 things na dapat nating balikan at i-improve are panalangin, spiritual aspect ng ating buhay, ang ating kalusugan, pwede pa natin, we can still make it better. Mindfulness. Again, living with a purpose. Hindi naman tayo nawalan ng purpose during quarantine. In fact, iniisip natin, totoo to, iniisip natin kung paano ko kayo ma-encourage. It was not my journey at kayo rin natulungan ninyo. So, thank you very much. Again, we are getting ready for TV Patrol, making things better, safer for everybody. So now we are doing our own makeup, aaralin. So marami tayong mga dapat aralin, baguhin, para tayo ay mas payapat masaya lang. Magmi-makeup na tayo. Miss ko si Michelle. Nasasad ako. Nasasad ako. Kasi may kaibigan ko si Michelle. Matagal na kaming magkasama. Pero, ganun talaga. Dapat lang, may rule na rin kami na 1 makeup artist, 1 anchor. Dati kasi nakikihati ako kay Kabayan. Pero si Michelle talaga yung makeup artist ko sa ABS. Hindi na pwede. So, kung bagbago itsura ko, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ate Rosita naman, asawa siya na may sakit. Tayo na lang. Para mas feeling ko safe din yung tao. Dapat talaga walang close contact. Tapos, kung magko-close contact man, mas gusto ko kung naka-PPE sila. Para safe sila, safe din tayo. Alam ganon, di ba? Pero sabi naman ng mga doktor natin kaibigan, may mga kailangan naka-full battle gear. Pero, after what happened, would you expose other people? I doubt. Ito ang kailangan natin aralin from now on. Makeup. Marunong naman tayong basic lang kaso hindi na pwede. Pasok na tayo. At part of the things na gagawin natin differently ay mag-aalas sa balutan na tayo. Kasi ayaw na natin magbihis sa loob ng network. Ayun yung gamit ko. Ready na yung gamit ko. Hindi na ako magbibihis sa ABS. Anywhere na indoors, ayoko na. Kaya ingat kayo. Kuya, bakit nakababa yung mask mo? Ako na ang inspektor. After ka ma-COVID, nanervousin ka para sa ibang tao. So, totoo lang. Yan si Kuya. Hi, this is Side B with Ate B, and as you can see, we are ending our isolation and we are packing to go back home. But first, some stuff, useful stuff that you may want to have prepared para, alam mo yun, ready lang kayo mag-isolate kung kinakailangan lang naman. So, let us see what's in our bag. Well, eto, face mask, mga vitamins, all sorts of vitamins, kailangan yan. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Do not forget. At least, gamitin nyo man o hindi, nandyan lang. Kasi mahirap maghagilap kapag kinailangan. Ito yung mga vitamins. Itong thermometer, oximeter, may iwan na to dito. Kasi meron naman tayo sa mismong bahay natin ito. So, ayan yung mga kailangan. Mga vitamins para lang ready. So, there. Ano pang importante? Of course, kailangan nyo ng mga lutuan. Pakuluan ng tubig. Importante. Ang init ng pagkain. May microwave para ready. At, alam nyo na, our ever reliable washing machine. There it is. Importante dahil actually, nobody will want to touch your clothes dahil matatakot sila. We understand them. Good to be back home. Our chapel, our set. Hi! Naka-social distance pa rin kami and it is the best for everybody. For everybody's sake. Hey, we're back! Nalayo na ng mga tao. And this is what we're talking about. So we can be safe and at the same time be happy. It's just being smart and having a peace of mind because you're doing it, you're trying to outsmart the virus. So here, even if we went through, sabihin mo na anxious moments because of COVID, reintegrating is easier because you know that the people surrounding you are careful with themselves and we are taking care of each other That's why we have this new setup. Thank you very much to our producers who are more careful for our safety. So sana lahat ng mga employers ganito, sana isaalang-alang din yung kapakanan ng kanilang mga manggagawa. So that's it. That's our side B with Ate B. We are doing good, baby steps, and we can do it. As I said, we just have to outsmart the virus and we have to do things better. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. God bless you.
Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and enjoy more of Side B.